Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a message without saving him or her name in your mobile. So this trick will help you. So most of the time we have to send a message just saving the name and we'll sending a message. This is a common thing, so now I'm gonna tell you how to send a message without saving anyone's name from your mobile, without saving anyone's number. Okay, so before starting this video I'm asking that subscribe my channel and also press that bell icon. So let's get started. First of all, you should install one kinds of app. So let me say that how to install that app. So first of all, open the Play Store in your mobile. Let me open the app, and then here click on the search bar and then type click to chat. Search this and you'll get this app. So I have already installed this app, so if you doesn't install this app, install it. So now I'm gonna update this app. I has already installed, so let me update this app. Okay, now I have successfully installed and been updated this app. So just open it. So now here you can see the click to chat interface of this app. So here you should choose the country code. So just type your country code, and then here you can see the number. So enter the who's the person of you wanna send a message. So enter the person mobile number. So here you can see I have typed the number. So if you have given the number, and then here you can see the open. Click on the open option and then choose your WhatsApp app. Have a dual WhatsApp. So let me open up the app. So now we have successfully get into the message window. Here you can see I hasn't saved this number from my phone. So here you can see the number, and then here you can type in the message without saving anyone's number from your mobile. Okay, so it's kind of anonymous. So let's just know this, it will be help you for any other time, any other while. So I hope this video helpful for you. So if you want to watch any more update videos like this one, so subscribe my channel and also press that bell icon. Thanks for watching.